Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your receiver name on Western Union. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to change your receiver's name, you just have to follow the steps accordingly. Make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. Now to do that, you have to simply access your Western Union website or your app and log in. Then you're gonna go ahead, check the eligibility. Not all transfer may be eligible for name changes, so check if the edit receiver's name option appears or not. So according to the information of your receiver, some receiver have the option of edit option, so you can change the name. If your receiver's information does not require that, then you won't be able to do so. So check out the option edit receiver's name and tap on it. Now go ahead, add in the new name and confirm and save it. If that doesn't help, you have to change it and you cannot find the edit receiver's name option, then you have to contact the customer service of Western Union according to your country. Go ahead, find their name or the email number or the email, contact them and ask them to change it. That will be it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.